Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a text editor in Python with tkenter. The first thing we're going to want to do is import our libraries. So we'll go ahead and do from tkenter import star or import everything, and then from tkenter.fileDialog import star. Next thing we're going to want to do is create our main widget, which we'll call root, and we'll set that equal to tk. And then we want to go ahead and create our main loop. Now, in between, we'll go ahead and give it a title, and we'll just call it text editor. And then we want to go ahead and give it a minimum size, because if we don't, and if we run it, it's going to look like this, very small. So what we want to do is root min size, and we'll set the width equal to 400 and the height equal to 400 as well. Keep in mind these are going to be in pixels, and once we do that we can see it is a lot larger. If you want to open it in full screen, you can do so like this: w comma h equal to root winfo screen width comma root dot winfo screen height. And with that, we are going to get our width and height of our monitor. Next, we'll go ahead and do root geometry, and then we want to go ahead and do %dx%d plus 0 plus 0, and then our placeholder values, we'll go ahead and fill those with W and H, and then we can go ahead and save, run that, and we can now see it is full screen. Now to make a text editor, we have to create a text widget. So to do that, we'll say text is equal to text, and then we're going to say it's going to inherit from root, and the width of our text box is going to be the width of our screen and the height of our screen as well. Now after that, we'll go ahead and do text.pack, and this is basically just adding it to our root widget. Now if we go ahead and save and run that, and as you can see, we have a full screen text editor. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more, leave a like and subscribe so you never miss out. Until next time.